Now you're wondering, how is it that you get started with this program? How do you get started making changes, rewiring your thought process pattern? Well, my name is Renee Thomas with DIY Month to Boost, and we are all about choosing to thrive, understanding our brain, how it is creating our emotions, and what we can do to make sure that those emotions are on a higher vibe level. So, what is this technique and how do you do it? Well, it is a three-step thought process. Now, in order to do this technique, what I designed is what I call mind cardio videos or guide sheets. They basically lead you step by step through the three steps to make sure you're doing each step thoroughly and not getting lost in one step or the other. Now you're wondering, well, how do I get started? Do not overthink this. This is simple. If your brain is saying, I don't know how to start, that's merely because it's overthinking. All you do is select any video, any of the follow along videos on YouTube for DIY Mental Boost. Click it and start to do what the video is directing you to do. That's it. It's teaching you a brain exercise. It's going to help you take a subject and be able to detach or unlink the unwanted emotion to the situation, to the thought, to the memory, to the image, to the idea or concept of whatever it is that you have in your brain that you do not want to have. So, if you're wondering, how do I start? What do I do? Just click and watch a video. Any video, doesn't make a difference which one, because all of the videos are a brain exercise and helping your brain to do the same three steps.